Having trouble finding a list of reliable contractors? Facebook can help. Hey, it's Derek, and did you know that Facebook isn't just a great place for generating buyer and seller leads? It's also a great place to post job openings when you are looking for contractors, electricians, or even staging help with your rehabs. Let's check it out. As you can see on our detailed targeting, we have the option to target at least one interest. By narrowing our audience, we can match two, like looking for work and construction. Here is a sample ad for a construction opening that drives people to call and check out your job posting on your website. As always, we suggest doing some experiments with your testing because there's so many options that Facebook gives you. For more information on how to target different types of leads and so much more, check out our full Facebook Marketing Masterclass course. The link is in the description.